saving slides as images is really simple in PowerPoint. Go to the file, go to the export, and here you can see a section called change file type. And there are different file formats, and there are 2 image types that you can select. I prefer PNG because it is more modern and better quality. So if I select it and then click on save as, you can give a new name. And once you click on save, it will ask you whether you want to save all the slides as images or just the current slide that you're on. So if I select all, then click on OK, it creates a folder B and it saves all the slides as a separate image. So if you double click on the image, it opens and you can press next or back to see them as an image. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.